The SN5 Drivers app is an application designed for use with the SN5 software, primarily targeting drivers in fleet management systems. This app facilitates a range of functionalities focused on driver monitoring and coaching, which in turn increases security, safety, and efficiency. To begin, a license for the SN5 desktop application is required and to be installed on a computer. An admin of the software will then create a login for each individual driver. The driver does not need a license to use the app. To download the SN5 Drivers application, go to the Google Play or Apple Store and search for SN5 Drivers. The app should appear on top. Click Install and download to your mobile device. Once downloaded, opening the application will bring you to the server address page. An admin will provide the driver with a QR code to scan that will take them to the correct server address. Another way would be to manually type in the server address the admin provides. A login screen will then appear. Just as before, an admin of the software will provide a username and password. Simply type in your info and press Login. This is the check-in page. It's accessible on the bottom navigation, alongside Coaching and Account. In this tab, drivers typically choose the vehicle they'll be operating for their shift, each named after a specific recorder on the vehicle or a bus number. Simply tap on your designated vehicle and press Check In to start your shift. No manual checkout is required. It either happens automatically or when another driver selects the same vehicle. Should you switch vehicles during your shift, you can easily check in again by making a different selection. If a driver is just trying to view their coaching score, checking in is not necessary. The account page presents options for viewing user account details and customizing the interface appearance. In the About Info area, the current version of the application is displayed. The Appearance section offers a choice between a dark or light mode for the app's visual theme. At the bottom, there is a Logout button, which, when pressed, terminates the ongoing login session. Accessing the Coaching tab in the bottom navigation panel takes you to a page displaying a specific driver's recent activity data and detection history. Driver coaching applies cutting-edge technology to evaluate drivers using essential safety metrics. Advanced cameras and recorders allow the system to identify behaviors such as yawning, lane departure, and phone usage during a driver's shift. Based on these observations, it calculates a score for each driver, with a maximum of 100 points possible. The color of the average score varies from green to yellow to red, with red being a failing score. The goal of this approach is to foster a culture of continuous learning and enhancement, not just highlight unsafe behavior. This focus on refining driving techniques and behaviors will increase driver safety and efficiency on the road. The recent section shows data from the past 30 days, including average score, total shifts, number of detections, and the date range. In the All History section, drivers can view details of every completed shift, including date, duration, vehicle driven, and associated detections. Shifts without detections won't appear here. Filters can be applied by pressing the three-line icon, allowing drivers to select specific detections, vehicles, or narrow down by shift or detection dates. After applying filters, the page updates. To reset, open the filter page again and select Clear Filters. Clicking on any of the time frames will show the average score and detections for that specific shift. Selecting a detection either from this page or the main page leads to its detailed view. This includes the recorder used, timestamp, shift range, points deducted, and exact coordinates where the detection took place. 6 images are shown for each detection, capturing views from the forward-facing and driver-facing cameras, taken before, during, and after the detection. The Video tab shows the full-length footage of the detection. On Map will display the detection using GPS. The discussion section below allows dialogue with an administrator regarding any detection concerns. For instance, disputing the identity of the person in the video can lead to score adjustments. Supporting evidence such as images can be uploaded using the plus icon. Once a resolution is reached, pressing Resolve Issue closes the discussion, marked by a green icon. If further discussion is needed, the Reopen option is available. An administrator of the software will then remove the detection completely or reassign it to another driver, which changes your total driver score. The SN5 Drivers app is designed to empower drivers with detailed insights and control over their driving performance. By providing comprehensive data on recent activities, historical records, and the ability to engage in discussions about detections, the SN5 Drivers app is an invaluable tool for maintaining high standards of driving safety and efficiency.